Hello, we are quickly going to check how the babies are doing, and she's covered them. I hope she's feeding them. I hope they are okay. She's covered them. I know she's done a bit more extra work on covering and protecting them some more, but we still want to make sure all of them are okay. So let's check on them. This is number one. Maybe today we can see a bit more of them. Let's check if we are seeing them. This is number one. Number two. Looks like a pure white. Number three. Again, I've not edited these. I just want to bring you straight in. So number three. And I can feel that their stomach is really feeling good, which means she's feeding them. I have not seen her feeding them, but rest assured, I know she is feeding them. Number five. This is number five. Number six. Number seven. Number eight. And number nine. I can tell she's come to make sure that her babies are okay. This is number nine. I'm just gonna send them back because she is checking on them. So all nine of them are good. Let me just put them back quickly. Maybe it's time for her to feed them, and I don't want to disrupt her. She's got her timing. So all nine of them are still kicking, and I'm just gonna leave it like that. Rabbito, Farmino. They are all looking good and feeling good, and mommy is doing her job properly. As you can see, she came to check, which shows promising signs that she's looking after them. She will feed them at her own time. This is a short one on a Saturday. This is 48 hours after birth, and May is looking after her babies very well. She's done some work on preparing the area properly so that they are warm and nice. Rabbito Farmino. We'll see you tomorrow at 7 p.m. for the live birth, where we see how May gave birth. And it's really a learning curve more than anything for us to know how rabbits prepare themselves for birth. We'll start the video from 24 hours before birth, and then we come to the real birth period, and that will give us an idea of what rabbits' mothers go through whilst giving birth. Rabbito Farmino. See you tomorrow. Bye.